ربنا ولا تؤاخذنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا
Alhamdulillah. Hello. How are you? Long time. How are you?
ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله.
We are here, Baba, at the instance of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to come and fiercely identify with the family in this period of grief. It's not a loss to the family alone, but to the entire nation. And the president was personally grieved, was personally touched. He said he's one of us. That was the exact word he used. May Allah grant the soul of our patriarch, of our father, eternal rest, and reward him with his Al-Jannah Firdaus. And may Allah also give the family, the government and people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. It was an institution. He has sought the lives of each and every one of us here. Words cannot adequately capture the depth of our grief. But inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un. Once again, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, please accept our heartfelt condolences.
Thank you, Your Excellency. I'm grateful to all of you for coming to commiserate with us on the death of Muhammadu Buhari. I spoke to the President yesterday and he told me the same thing as you did.
In the morning. Or when? Let's find out when.
Or when in the morning. What would be a long 6?